Hi guys, so it's the weekend once again. I came from work. I am trying to make it home as fast as I can because I'm tired. I woke up at 4 a.m. I slept at 12:30 midnight. Went on a motorcade as early as 7 a.m. So basically, I'm super tired. But of course, on this vlog, I'm gonna show you how I pack my clothes or how I choose my clothes before going on a trip. Now, as you all know, I'm not a fashionista. I'm more of a comfort versus wait. Okay, so like what I was saying, why is there a dot on my face? Wait. Like what I was saying, you all know that I choose comfort over style. In short, hindi naman ako fashionista. Pag naka-jackpot ako ng magandang clothes, pag nakita ninyo na maganda yung suot ko, ibig sabihin I'm in the mood to dress up or... Wait lang ha, ang ingay ng car ko. Ang kulit ko kasi. So anyway, if you see me properly dressed, it means I'm in the mood to dress up, be well made up, ganon. So anyway, since I travel with kids, I actually choose comfort over style. Kasi, syempre, pag may kasama kang kids, you run around, go after them, you feed them. So basically, kahit na gusto kong pumorma, I just need to be in comfortable clothes. Most of the time, I just bring rubber shoes with me. I don't even bring the expensive ones anymore. I just bring the usual stuff that I bring, like Adidas, yung mga Gucci ko, yung mga Valentino rubber shoes. I don't bring them anymore kasi sobrang sayang lang. So, this time, I think, as you all know, dun sa pupuntahan ko ngayon, it's winter. It's gonna be really cold. Ang pinaproblema ko is yung kids. I got a few advices from friends and from other people on how to dress them up and gear them up for the cold. But to be honest, I am not so sure about that because my kids, sa mall pa lang, nagrereklamo na sila na malamig. So what more dito sa pupuntahan namin? So as you all know, we are going to Legoland, Japan. And of course, aside from Legoland, iikot din kami sa isang place. So anyway, watch out na lang for that video. On this video, I will show you guys how I prepare for a trip. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you, but for the meantime, my masseuse is here and my video bomber is here. Say hi! Hello! Okay, so for the meantime, I'm gonna get a massage and then I will get back to showing you guys how I will actually pack these in my luggage. Alright guys, so the packing got interrupted a bit because my masseuse came here. I had a massage for 2 hours and it was really good. I feel so revived and fresh. Nakatulog ako, so...
Guys!
Hi! So we're gonna take a break.
We're going to Legoland!
Yes, the kids wanted to eat on banana leaves. So, here it is. Syempre sa kanila hotdog.
Hot dogs!
And okra.
And okra, and then...
And tomato.
Tomatoes! My favorite! And then...
So we will be eating with our bare hands. So the kids requested to eat with their bare hands today, so we decided to make them eat on banana leaves. As you all know, this is a Filipino tradition. It's very Filipino that you eat with your hands. I remember I was asked once if food tastes better when you eat with your hands. I would definitely say yes.
I'm here!
Adobo na maanghang, cooked by our helper, okra, itlog maalat. Alright, hello guys! It's day 3 of this vlog. Hindi tayo matapos-tapos kasi ang dami talagang ginagawa at home. I have a new helper that needs to be taught and assisted. Tapos the kids. So, anyway, and so on and so forth. When it comes to skincare, makeup, paano ba ako nag-prepare for a trip? Okay, di ba galing akong Korea? So, ang dami kong nakuwang samples. So, what I do with these samples, rather than use them right away, I keep them for a trip. Syempre, pag magdadala ka ng isang malaking bottle na ganito, it's gonna be added luggage weight. So what I do, I bring out all my samples. Ayan. Yun siya lahat. Ang dami. I bring out all my samples and this is what I bring on a trip. Okay, so now this one, you have Percy and Reed. Not sure if you see. Percy and Reed, okay, it's for my hair. Next, I have a blurring primer from Cover FX. And then, I have my serums and creams. Yan. And then, I have my lotion. I have a priming moisturizer. There you go. Tapos, I'm not sure kung dadalhin ko tong mga Wrinkle Warrior, tsaka exfoliator. Pero ito, definitely, yung mga peel-off mask ko. Kasi, when I go to a cold country, talagang sobrang nagda-dry yung skin ko. Kaya, kailangan ko talagang magdala niya. Okay, so bakit puro mga ganito yung dinadala ko? Unang-una, pagdating sa luggage weight, when you bring bottles, it's gonna take up luggage space. So, unlike kung sachets ang dadalhin mo, kung yung mga samples, ganyan, nahiyang ka naman, after mo siyang gamitin, throw it away. So, wala ka nang iuwi pabalik ng Manila. When it comes to my hair, as you all know, Japan is one of the most convenient countries that you can ever go to. For the hair, they have their own shampoo and conditioner. And trust me when I tell you na yung mga shampoo and conditioners nila sa hotels nila are super nice, super lambot sa hair. Yung iba nga, Tsubaki pa nga yung brand. Tsubaki? Just get whatever it is that is in the hotel. Or, minsan maarte ako sa conditioner. So, ang kasundo talaga ng hair ko is cream silk. So, I bring sachets of cream silk conditioner para yun nga, after nun, tapon, wala na akong dadalhin pa uwi. Yeah, so that's a tip from me. If you have these things and you're going on a trip, then it's the best time. Those things that I can put here in these small reusable containers. Yeah, so I can either put fem wash or let's say spray or colognes, ganyan. So I just put it here in this travel size pouch. And I have a lot of these. So I got this from Sephora. I'm gonna be using this. Siguro ang lalagay ko is fem wash and cologne. Kasi kasama ko yung kids. So that's what I need. So sa plane, I also bring a disposable toothbrush, a small bottle of mouthwash, fem wipes, and yeah, this one. I'll be bringing this one. Yeah. So everything I bring for a trip is all in travel size. Kasi nga, mabigat. Hindi pwedeng mawala talaga itong dalawang to sa akin pag umaalis ako. This is the all-in-one beauty balm of Nature Skin Secrets. Yan siya. Sobrang bango. Okay, so I like bringing this kasi it's a makeup remover. It helps you with bites and scars. Pwede siyang panglagay sa dry skin. Yan o. You just put it on your dry skin. Favorite ko yung dalhin. Plus, it has this really nice watermelon scent, which sobrang favorite ko yung watermelon scent. Next is my Sugar Coat Lip Mask. Kasi alam niyo naman, sobrang dry yung lips ko palagi. So, this has an equal amount of essential oils. And, ayan siya. Sobrang bango. May bubble gum. Pag in-apply mo. There. I don't know if you can see, pero grabe yung yun. Grabe yung moisture niya. So, this keeps my lips away from being chapped. Yan yung Sugar Coat Lip Mask, of course, ng Nature Skin Secrets. So, those are the two things na iuwi ko sa Manila that I can't live without. So anyway, let's go to makeup. When it comes to makeup, I also make sure that I only bring what I'm going to use or what I know I'm going to use. Kasi unang-una, siguradong bibili ako ng makeup doon. Pangalawa, ayoko rin na mabigat sa luggage. So as much as possible, I try to travel light. And I will show you kung saan ko linalagay yung mga makeup ko. For my makeup, believe it or not, napagkakasya ko siya dito. See? It's just one small pouch. Actually, parang more of ano nga ito. Lalagyan siya ng perfumes. Yung mga maliliit na size. So, it's this small. Everything pinagkakasya ko dito. How do I do it? Again, ang dinadala ko lang, dalawang blush, foundation. Tapos, I have yung mga small sizes ng mga pang-contour from Benefit. Lip gloss, pangkilay, lipstick, and for this trip, I'll be bringing this. Kaya ako siya binili sa Sephora. So, ano na siya? Here we go. Ito yung Christmas edition nila for 2018 ng mga brush. So, this is for your face, and then yung pang contour. This is for the eyes, and this is for the brows. And this is for your eyebrows. Yan, okay? So, ito lang yung dadaling ko, promise. Yeah, so basically, as much as possible, I pack light and I travel light because I know that I'm gonna do some hardcore shopping. Hindi naman hardcore shopping. Actually, yung shopping ko depends on what I see, what's available. Kung merong maganda, then I'm gonna buy it. Then if there's none, then wala. Medyo smart shopper na ako ng konti. I just don't keep on buying and buying and buying and hoarding. Kasi to be honest, after New Year, nag-general cleaning ako. Sobrang sayang dahil ang dami ko nang tinapon na makeup na expired. Ang dami ko na tinapon na lipstick. Ang dami ko nang tinapon na skincare products na pinagbibili ko pero hindi ko naman nagagamit. So, sobrang sayang lang. So, anyway, ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sinasabi kong maliliit na makeup, mga mini-size makeup na dadalhin ko or mga dinadala ko for a trip. Okay, so let's start. Gaya ng sinabi ko, pang contour. Okay, yan. From Hoola. And then again, from Benefit, you have the Gold Rush. Of course, wipes, and then the Merry and Bright cream blusher, of course. Hindi rin yan mawawala. Here, I have small gloss. And this is from Japan itself, can make. This is from Tarte. Yeah, so those are basically the things that I'm gonna be bringing. And then, ito lang yung medyo malaki. Yung Sephora Stila Kiss. Yan, kasi meron siyang reds. So, I'm gonna be bringing this one. And then, yan, bumili lang ako ng mga mini brush ng Real Techniques. Yung mga beauty blenders. There you go. So, siguro magdadala lang ako ng dalawa. And then, that's it. So, kaya, napagkakasya ko siya dun sa maliit na pouch ko. Kasi, ganyan lang naman kakonti yung tinadala ko. Ako naman kasi yung taong hindi talaga marunong mag-makeup. Hindi rin ako talaga mahilig mag-makeup. Mag-makeup man ako, super light lang. I go for the natural look. Like now, as you can see, this is my bare face. Ayan. It's 8 in the morning and I don't have makeup on. I'm doing this vlog. So, anyway, when it comes to skincare and makeup, that's how I actually pack them and that's how I get ready for a trip. Okay, next! Of course, when you go on a trip, kailangan meron kang gamot. Alangan naman dalhin mo yung buong bote ng gamot mo. Diba? Siyempre, mabigat din yun. So, what you do is you get a small Ziploc. Ayan. Get these. Put it in a Ziploc. Tapos, kung meron kayong maliit na ice bag, yung pang ice candy, you can put all your vitamins in there. And then, just put it here in the Ziploc. And then, you can just, let's say, put this on top of your luggage. And then, that's it. Diba? Very, very convenient. Again, pag naubos mo yan, pag nagkasakit ka, just throw it away. And then, of course, syempre, guys, don't forget that the medicines go inside your bag. Kasi anytime na sumakit yung ulo mo, magka-colds ka, or kailangan mo ng vitamins, baka medyo sumama yung tummy mo, syempre, kailangan mo tong mga to. It's hard to get medicines over the counter. Kasi sila yung sila isa sa mga country na kailangan mo talaga ng prescription for medicine. So, it's kind of hard to get that unless meron kang kakilala sa Japan. They can get it for you. Unless meron silang reseta from the doctor. As much as possible, bring all the medications that you will need. Everything that's in this yellow paper bag, I got from a shop online that I really love. I love their clothes, I love the style. Whatever I wear from that store is my style. It's me, it's my personal preference. So anyway, I haven't tried these on. I got this December because I pre-ordered as early as November. So hopefully they all fit me and I won't have a wardrobe malfunction when I get to Japan. So anyway, as we all know, it's gonna be winter. Winter in Japan is really crazy. It's cold. Temperature can go down as low as -5 or -10. It really depends if it's snowing or not. If it's windy, it depends also. So anyway, the first thing that I got is this very thick long dress. Okay? See, it's turtleneck. So when you wear it as a dress, you can either just lift it up, or if it's a bit hot, you can just pull it down. Or if you want, you can pull it down, you can wear a scarf over it. So it's long sleeves. And long sleeve siya. It's a dress. See? I will be wearing, of course, heat tech under it. And winter stockings. I don't know. It depends on how cold it is. Okay? Alright. So the next thing that I got, pala, nandito ako sa kwarto. Tinanggal yung bed kasi nag-upgrade na kami sa California king size bed dahil hindi na kami kasya sa queen size. So, as you can see, there's nothing behind me. Okay, next. I got it as well in another color. So, this is color black. It's the same. It's turtleneck. It's long sleeves. It's very thick. There you go. So, yeah. Most likely, I'll be folding this. Because on top of this, definitely, if it's really cold, I'm gonna have a coat or whatever it is that I can put on. So I got it in two basic colors. That's gray and black. For your coats, for anything that's thick, get this. Okay, I bought this sa IKEA a few years back. Luckily, hindi pa siya butas kasi bili na naman ako. So ito, pag pinacuum, nagsishrink siya. So if-flat niya yung mga clothes mo, yung mga coats mo. Anything as big as this, you can put up to 4 to 5 pieces of clothing. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-fold ng maayos. Pasensyahan nyo na, hindi ako magaling mag-fold. Kasi yan sa mga weakness ko sa buhay. So, tapos na. Kunwari, complete na yan ng 4 clothes. Or 5, depende sa'yo kung gaano kalaki yung lalagay mo. So, use this, i-seal mo lang siya para walang hangin na lalabas. Okay, so nakita nyo to, yan yung pang-open and pang-close niya. So, dyan mo isasak yung air sa loob para mag-shrink tong buong plastic na to. And then, 1, 2, 3! Okay, after that, don't forget to close this one. Siyempre, pag lumabas yung hangin, walang mangyayari sa ginawa. Okay? So, there you go. So, this whole thing, if you have a big luggage, the biggest size, of course, that's what I have. So, malalagay mo siya sa loob. And then, there you go. Such a space saver, diba? Okay. If you're wondering where you can buy this in the Philippines, just go to True Value. Ang dami doon. All sizes. But so far, ang alam ko, ito yung biggest size niya. So, there you go. Thank you so much, everyone, for being with me on this video. I hope that you learned a thing or two from me. So anyway, please do watch out for that Japan trip that we are all excited about. See you soon! Thank you, guys!